Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to monitor GPU utilization from Task Manager on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To monitor GPU utilization from Task Manager on Windows 10 computer, right click on Taskbar. Now click on Task Manager. Task Manager has been opened. Now click on Performance. Now scroll down and you will find the last option is GPU. Click on GPU and look, this is the GPU monitoring tool, and this one is the manufacturer of this GPU, Intel R and HD graphics card, model number 520, and the utilization is 3%, 4%, 7%. This percentage is the GPU utilization percentage. And here is my GPU memory size, 3.9 GB, and here the GPU utilization ratio. Here you will find the driver version, driver date, DirectX version number, and physical location. And you will find here first option is 3D utilization, that is 5 to 6% now, and here you will find video decode and video performancing and video processing, and this one is copy, and the last one is shared GPU memory uses. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.